Man, is it snowing? Look at that. Look at that, everybody. Biggest damn snowstorm we've had in Delta in quite some time. Look at that. Just dumping. Hi, Paulie.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, man.
It's fun. It's fun.
There's the old teepee.
Dad, can I take a picture?
Well, I'm not going to let you film. You might drop it, sweetie. Bad enough if I drop. I know. Oh, wow. Wow. Well, I guess we are going to get some. All my whining paid off. Yeah. Look at that. All right, we have an adventure. We're on a mission. We have to go to the mailbox. Polly's leading the way. Oh man, it is dumping. It is beyond dumping for Delta. Holy crap. It's awesome. This way, Polly, this way. So yeah, the roads are starting to pack up and be a good weekend to stay inside. Hi, Polly.
Hey, Daddy.
Let's go to the mailbox. Oh, man, we have gotten 3 inches today. Come on, Polly. There's Ruby. Oh, man. Yeah, it's an adventure way.
Yeah.
Through the Tudor Roses. Little path here. All right, Ruby. You stay back from the road, okay? Come on. All right. Go and get the mail, Polly. I'll watch. Ruby, come here. Go. You're okay. Be careful. Come here, Ruby. Come here. No, put that down. Put that down, baby. Okay, get the mail. Oh, you can reach it. Ruby, come here. All right. Get the mail. Polly.
Oh, there we go.
No, it's one from Miss Polly. Come on, you two. Away from the road. So Miss Polly got a Miss Polly letter. That's pretty cool. Back to the camp. Actually, we gotta go up to the house, take your letter up to the house, huh, before it gets snowed on. Come on, we'll go open your card in the house. Man, look at it dump.
Do I have to open my card?
Oh, look at that.
Thanks to Abby. I got it from Polly. In the van. That's what I get for my birthday. That's totally awesome. I totally at the mail guys got it for my birthday.
I wish I got that happy when I got mail. Oh, mine's always bills. And stuff.
Did you put all your mail that had...
When I was your age, I got nice little mail too. Yeah, like you. Oh, the shelter of big evergreens. Man, oh man, what a difference it makes.
Look at the chickens, they're mad about this.
Are they mad about the snow, them chickens?
They're like,
It's a lot of snow, man.
yep.
Woo!
It's a lot of snow.
Yeah, it is. Look at this snow. Look at this snow. I knocked all the snow off all the flies. I'm going to have to do it again. I'll end up with some torn canvas. The tents are okay. The flies are made for right in shade. Hey, you. Man, look at our footprints already filled in from before. So yeah, we're
Arthur.
a good 3 inches, almost 4 inches today. Just today.
Daddy, you can see my footprints right here.
Nice. Hi, Ruby. Oh, Ruby got a pile of sticks and got a load of wood in just in time today for this, because we were just about out of reserves. So, Paul's got milk because we got donuts. Yeah.